Let's take an up-close, personal look at Bobby Unser's 1968 Indianapolis winning car. This was Bobby's 5th year in Indianapolis. It didn't come by luck. If we go back a little bit, we see that in 1950, at the age of 15, Bobby won his first championship in the Southwest Modified Stock Car Series. Also, he won the Pikes Peak Championship a record 13 times, 6 straight from 1958 to 63. So Bobby brought a ton of experience to Indy in 1963. Sure is cool to look in the cockpit of race cars. It's something you don't get to see too often. And what's that? Tape on the steering wheel? That's interesting on what they did back then. Boy, times have changed. Believe it or not, this car is powered by a 4-cylinder. Yep, a 4-cylinder Offenhauser engine, and it's boasted by a turbocharger. Also, with that being said, this was the first turbocharged engine to win the 500. Also in the rear, you notice there's no rear wing. Well, can you guess what year rear wings came in to the Indy cars? 1972. That's when they came in. As we look around this car some more, I'll share a few more highlights about Bobby's career. The following year, he would go on and win his first USAC National Driving Championship. And then in 1972, he set another Indianapolis 500 record for the fastest qualifying time at over 195 miles per hour. And in 1974, he would go on and win his second USAC National Driving Championship. And then the following year, he would win his second Indianapolis 500. And that was a rain-shortened race, which ended on lap 174. Bobby would then become a 3-time Indy winner, grabbing the checkered flags in 1981. And that's Bobby Unser's 1968 Indianapolis 500 winning Rislone-sponsored Dan Gurney Eagle.